Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to use annotation while sharing your screen in Microsoft Teams. This feature is very useful if you want to highlight, draw, or explain things live during meetings, classes, or presentations. So let's get started. First, join or start a meeting in Microsoft Teams. Now click on Share Screen and choose your entire screen. Important tip, annotation only works with screen sharing, not with window sharing. While sharing your screen, move your cursor to the top. You'll see the presenter toolbar. Click on the Annotate icon. A pop-up will appear asking, "Who can annotate? Everyone or only you?" Choose your preferred option. Once enabled, all participants will see the whiteboard tools at the top. Laser pointer, a temporary pointer to highlight areas during explanation, does not stay on board. Pen tool, used for freehand writing and drawing. Highlighter, similar to pen, but thicker and more transparent for emphasis. Eraser, removes drawn ink or selected items. Comment tool, add comments or feedback on objects or areas of the whiteboard. Reactions/stickers. Add emojis or visual reactions. Sticky notes. Add colored notes for ideas or points. Want to save your annotations? Click Save a Snapshot icon. This will automatically save your annotations to Microsoft Whiteboard. Annotation settings. Click the settings icon in the toolbar to turn off collaborative cursors control. Who can annotate? Interact with background. If you are the presenter, you can still interact with your content. Click Take Control. Start interacting with background. Now you can scroll pages or change slides. To go back, click Stop Interacting with Background. That's how you use annotation in Microsoft Teams. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. See you in the next video.